In this video, I will show you how to stop Facebook from following random accounts. If this is happening, your account may have unauthorized access, so let's secure it right away. First of all, launch open Facebook. Now, you want to tap on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Here, tap on Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. Now, once you land over here, tap on the option of Account Center. Now tap on Password and Security. Here, tap on Two-Factor Authentication, then select your account. Now choose a method, whether it is Authentication app, SMS, or WhatsApp. Turn it on to add an extra layer of protection to your account. Next, you want to check Logged In Devices. For that, go back to Password and Security. Now tap on Where you're logged in. You will see a list of all devices currently using your account. Carefully review this list and log out of any device you don't recognize. Finally, change your password. Make sure that your password is something strong and unique. Avoid using simple or reused password. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.